How to change DPI scaling level for displays in Windows 10. Tired of blurry screens and tiny text? Getting your display settings right can turn a frustrating setup into a crisp, comfortable workspace. In this video, we'll show you how to adjust DPI scaling in Windows 10 to make everything look just right. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe now to our IT Video Hub and YouTube channel so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from NinjaOne. How to adjust DPI scaling in Windows 10. Follow the steps below to adjust DPI scaling in Windows 10. Method 1. Using display settings. Press Win+I to open settings, or right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Go to System and then click Display. Under Change the size of text, apps, and other items, choose the DPI percentage that works best for you from the drop-down menu. Method 2. Setting a custom DPI scaling level. Here's another method to try. In Display Settings, scroll to Scale and Layout and click Advanced Scaling Settings. Enter a custom size between 100% and 500%, then click Apply. Method 3. Using the Registry Editor. Before trying this method, do note that editing the registry can affect system behavior. Be sure to back it up first. Press Win+R, type regedit, and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Go to H key, Current User, Control Panel, Desktop. To back up, click File, Export. Choose a location, name the file, set export range to all, then click Save. To change DPI, double-click Log Pixels. Set the value in decimal, for example 96 for 100%, 120 for 125%, 144 for 150%, 192 for 200%. Click OK. To set custom scaling, double-click Win8 DPI Scaling. Enter 0 if DPI is 96, default, or 1 if you are using a custom value. Close the registry editor and restart your PC. Method 4. Adjusting the DPI for specific applications. Lastly, you can adjust the DPI for specific applications. Find the app shortcut or .exe file, right-click it and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Click Change High DPI Settings. Check Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Choose a scaling option. Application uses the app's own DPI settings. System is good for older apps, but text might look blurry. System Enhanced offers better text clarity for older apps. Click Apply, then OK. Troubleshooting DPI scaling issues. If DPI changes aren't applying, try signing out and back in, or restart your computer. You should also check for updates. Open Settings and click Windows Update on the left. Click Check for Updates. If updates are available, click Install All, especially ones related to display or DPI. With these tips, fixing DPI scaling issues becomes easy, so you can enjoy a sharp, smooth display experience. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing the DPI scaling level linked in the description below.